Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the orientation of the digital crown on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you would like to change which side the digital crown is on, then you can turn your watch upside down so the crown is on the other side. Your watch screen will now be upside down. To turn it the correct way up, follow the next steps. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and select general. Then tap orientation. Scroll down to digital crown. You can now choose between left and right. Choose left if the digital crown is on the left side, and right if it is on the right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.